So let me show you how to actually import a JSON into MapR DB using the MapR utility ImportJSON. So I have a volume sandpit and it has a JSON called jips.json and which I've copied from my local directory. Let me go and view what's the content of jips.json. So if you look at it, it contains a city, a location, a pop, and then state, and then there's an ID. So I'm just going to use this ID as a primary key for this table. So this is a unique identification. So this got 29,467 records on it. So how do we actually import? So there is a utility called ImportJSON. I'm just going to type MapR ImportJSON. That's the utility. And then you have to specify what's the ID field it should look for. So in this case, it's ID. So I have another file open here, so I'll just go. So here, the ID field is just ID. It could be anything, but here it's ID. And then you have to say where is the source location of this. So the source location is that slash jips.json, and then where is the destination for this. I'm just going to store it on the same volume. And then I'm just going to give this as zip or zip. So let's hit enter. Now what MapR actually does, it actually kicks off a MapReduce job in the background to ingest all this JSON data into and then put it into MapR DB. So let's wait for this MapReduce job to complete. It should be fairly quick if you got a big cluster. So once it's done, I'll actually show you what you can actually do with this. It's taking a while. Okay, so then we can actually search for some records once it's got ingested. So I have few fields here which I want to test, and then there's some fields in the bottom which I want to test as well. Yeah, okay, so it actually finished. So it actually completed, the job has been completed. So let's go and see what has it done. MapRFS data sandpit. So now you can actually see it actually created a zip table. Okay, so let's go to MapR DB shell. Okay. Let's issue the command find by ID. ID 99926. So right now you can actually see 99926 is this record. So it actually got the record very quickly. Let's go with the random record thing. So that's Texas. So 778 778 79. The right node actually gives the Texas Somerville. So this is how we actually import a JSON flat file into MapR DB using the utility ImportJSON.